Hi, I'm Michael from Thor Poletest. Thor Poletest are world leaders in the non-destructive testing technology used for timber utility pole assessment. Today I'm going to show you the easy three-step process to undertake the pole assessment test, but first I'm going to show you the gear. The TH320 PRO system can be used on a belt arrangement like this, or can be used straight out of the case. First, I'll show you the impulse hammer on my right side. On the left side, I have the geophone receiver unit, and behind I have the sensor hub, which powers the system and connects wirelessly to my device. Just like the previous generations of the Thor Poletest system, the test can be performed in under 60 seconds. The three steps of the test are the pole setup, performing the test, and then analysing the results. The first step is the pole setup. New for the 320 PRO is an app designed to enter all the pole information before proceeding to the test. First, we have a health and safety check for the pole. Then we enter all the details, the wood type, the size, and the height of the pole, or a pole identification number, if we have one. So this pole here is a hardwood pole. We've entered that information. The next step is measuring the size of the pole. This can be done with a simple tape measure, a diameter tape, or calipers. It could also be entered in metric or imperial units. So I'll measure the pole now. Thor Poletest system uses GPS location to identify each test to a unique pole. Also, a pole identification number can be entered into the pole setup if this is available. There's also an observations field that can be filled out with any notes or observations for this particular test. An improvement from the previous versions of the Thor Poletest system is the handheld device is untethered from the rest of the system and can be placed wherever convenient for that particular test. Now we'll move on to taking the test. All tests are taken within 100 millimeters of the ground line. We can place our device wherever convenient, usually on the hammer side so we can see when we're striking. Next, we move on to the geophone and we place this around the back side of the pole. It's important for an effective test for the geophone to be level and for the right pressure to be put on the pole. The new coaching features and the new sensors inside the geophone provide feedback to the user to get a fast, efficient test. The new Thor hammer has been designed specifically to impart the correct force onto the pole as comfortably and efficiently as possible. Audible feedback from the app tells the user when to strike the pole. Now I'll continue with the test. For health and safety and for decisions in the field, the Thor test results are displayed in a simple traffic light system on the app. All data is automatically uploaded to the cloud, where via the Thor portal, this data can be analysed and used for further asset management decisions.